I will talk about how can you disable notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So then you click here on settings, you just click on it here. So then when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on push notifications. You come here to on. You click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.